Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Proud to be Indian. In this video, I will review one of the top most NITs all over the India, that is the National Institute of Technology Durgapur, which is situated in the West Bengal. So I will talk you the complete detail about the NIT Durgapur, that what is the cutoff of this for the JEE Main, what is the fee structure, what is the placement of this, and very important thing that what is the scope of this college. Okay, so let us move to our video. So first of all, let me talk about the NIT Durgapur. So actually the NIT Durgapur, one of the topmost NITs in the West Bengal. It was established in 1960 and the current NRF ranking is 72. So again the marvelous ranking for all over the courses. Okay. So moving to our next section, that is very important, that what are the courses that is offered by this NIT Durgapur. So these are the some UG and PG courses that is offered by this. So these are the department, that is Department of Biotechnology, Civil Engineering, Chemical Engineering, CY Chemistry, Computer Science Engineering, topmost branch. Okay, and for the EC, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Humanities Science, Earth and Environmental Study, MM, that is Metallurgical and Materials Engineering, Management Science, Physics, ME Mechanical Engineering, Electrical Engineering. So these are the courses that is offered by the NIT Durgapur. Talking about a little bit more about the research and other things. So yeah, this college provide the sufficient guidance to all of the research, and this college have a great research scope. Okay, so if you are planning to get into this college for the especially for the research and all things, then these are the topmost NIT all over the India and one of the oldest and most believable NIT. Moving to our next very important points, that is the facilities. So what are the facilities that is available in the NIT Durgapur? Okay, so this provide actually abundant number of facilities such as the banking facility, CIF, canteen facilities, have HBL facilities, library, full Wi-Fi, and all support medical unit, post office maintenance. So variety of facilities available in this, no end out. Okay, and talking about a little bit about the campus. So this have a great campus. You can have a clearly here the view that this is a view of the NIT Durgapur, and it is NAC grade A affiliation, UGC approved, so all things are fine. Moving to our next very important things, that is the cutoff. So what is the cutoff for this college? So if you are planning to get into this, then what should be the minimum cutoff? So I am showing the cutoff for the NIT Durgapur, that is the round 6. So if you are belong to the general candidate, then you must be for the other state 8345, for the CSC, and for the home state 11829, little bit higher. So talking about the BTech in Electronics and Communication Engineering to 13265 for the other states, and for the home states 15149. For BTech in Electrical Engineering 19785 for the other state, and home states 19913. For BTech in Mechanical Engineering, home state 27912, and for the other state 28575. For BTech in Chemical Engineering 35345, and for the home state 30414. For BTech in Civil Engineering 37450, and for the home state 30441. Talking about the BTech in Biotechnology, so you must be within the 46557. So if you are planning to get in the Biotechnology, then you must be 4700 के अंदर rank होना चाहिए. Okay. For the home state 48897. For the BTech in the BTech plus MTech, means that is the integrated course. So if you have to be within the 47797, and for the other state 46292. If you are belong to the SC candidate, then you have to fulfill these cutoff. Okay, you can clearly take the screenshot of the cutoff. So this is all about the cutoff scenario of the NIT Durgapur. Moving to our next, that is the very important, that is the placement, because you know now placement is the ultimate goal of every student, and they want to be get placed into good company and top MNC's company. So talking about the placement, so this is a placement scenario, recent placement scenario. So number of offer made is so far is 530, and increase in average salary is 37%. Average salary is Indian rupees 11.46 LPA, means far little than the NIT Patna and other NIT Warangals. So okay, so this means average NIT. No, you can't say that topmost NIT. And for the NIT Durgapur, this is basically actually increasing, and their report are no any doubt very increasing. Okay. Talking about the next very important things, that are the company visited. So variety of company visited here, such as SAP Labs, Flipkart, Amazon, Wipro, Cognizant, and TCS visits just little time because these are the mass routing companies. So they just develop, or you can say visit in a little bit manner. Okay. Moving to our next very important, that is the last things, that cutoff. Sorry, what is the fee structure of this NIT Durgapur? So for the NIT Durgapur BTech courses, you must have to pay 1.49 lakh. That is the first year fee. Means if I sum up it, then about 10 lakh you have to pay for the whole 4 year. Eligibility criteria, you are very well aware of that. 10 plus 2 be 75% plus JEE Main. For MBA 96,350, for MTech 94,100, for MCA 82,900, for BSc plus MSc 1.49 lakh, and for the MSc 39.10 lakh. For the PhD degree you have to pay 64,100. So this is all about the fee structure of the NIT Durgapur, that is the topmost NIT in the West Bengal. Okay, moving to last very important section, that conclusion. So should I take admission into this NIT Durgapur or not? So yeah, if you are planning to get into the NIT Durgapur, then no need to worry about that. You have to, means this is the good option. Okay, but if you are getting the Jadavpur University, that is the another topmost college of West Bengal, then that is fine. So if you are given the WJE and have a good rank, then you can certainly opt for that college. So this is all the conclusion about the NIT Durgapur. I hope your all doubt regarding the NIT Durgapur is clear. But if still you have any doubt regarding any point, then you can comment here. I will try to reply as soon as possible. So फिलहाल वीडियो में इतना ही था. Till then, bye bye. Meet you in the next video. जय हिंद.